Feeling like I'm floating to the ceiling, is it magic? Baby, tell me why you disappearing, is it magic? I won't never tell him how I did it, it was magic. Can you imagine? Money in the mattress, love the way I stack it. I can make it rain, blue hunters, can you catch it? If somebody come through, bluffing, I'ma blast them and tell the police I don't.
Hello, welcome back to another video. My name is Danielle. If you're new here, welcome, welcome, welcome. Oh my goodness. I'm standing in the guest bedroom and we're done. My husband and I are done painting this room and I'm super excited to show you. First, if you watched my previous video, go back if you haven't. But this room was like a grayish, blue, greenish color. I've always wanted to work on this guest bedroom and make it all cute and cozy. Enough of me talking. Let me get to showing you how the room looks, okay? All right. The kids and I are about to go ahead and head out and do some window shopping. So we're about to go check out and see if I can find any like decor for the room, some more decor. I would prefer wall decor. I like how simple it is. It's not too much in here. I like to keep it that way. I'm super excited to go see what everyone has in their store and look at some fall decor, do a little window shopping, maybe purchase something. I don't know. Yeah, let's get to it. Let's get out and let's get our Friday started. It seems like we got it done every day, but literally the last vlog I recorded on Monday, so but yeah, we're at Dunkin', and I forgot to tell you, Shane is on fall break. He's on fall break for 2 weeks, so he's been chilling with us at home, helping his sister with preschool lessons, and then he's been working
playing on GameKit.
Yeah, playing on GameKit. He's been working with my husband. I was about to say with my dad.
Yeah,
oh. Okay, thank you. Salud. Salud. We are here at Hobby Lobby and the girls are still asleep, like knocked out. I just hate when they're asleep like this because I'm like, do I want to wake them up? But we got to because it's 4 o'clock and we have so much to do. We have a lot of cute stuff in here. Oh, this is so cute. I don't know whose house this is, but it's really cute. Oh, that's cute. Oh, this is cute too. This is pretty cute. Okay. This is really cute. Got Christmas stuff. It's so cute. So tiny.
I want that cook.
No. This is not one of the kids. This looks like one of the kids' play toys. A sticker. Oh wow, this is a huge pot. Oh, this is cute. Oh, I'm sorry.
Get to me.
No, that's Susu.
I don't want that. I want walking. I want to walk this squishy.
Okay, hold on. Hold on.
I want
Can you
walking.
let her hold it just for a second, please? Just for a second. Just for a second.
I give her so she never gives it back to me like
Okay, Cece, you have just for a second. What do you say?
Thank you.
Sit down. Sit.
It's squishy.
I was looking for a throw to put on the end of the bed. And they have so many throws over here. But yeah, my battery is running low. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I may have to use my phone. Scratch. No, we don't need scratch. We need crack corn. Yes. We are back home. I went to Hobby Lobby. I didn't find anything. I went to Home Goods. I didn't find anything. So I'm okay with not trying to have it all together at once. Like I said, it took me a while to even paint it and get it to the way it is now. So I can wait. I'll find pieces to go in that room little by little. So I did end up getting stuff that I need, honestly. No! Wait, what in the world? I'm so dramatic. Okay, there we go. It says Autumn Fragrances, luxurious hand wash, autumn pear, and it smells so good. When I tell you this hand soap smells so good. So this is gonna go in the kitchen because we need a hand soap. So I got this, it's a mason jar brand. It has like the little sealed top to go with it, which you just lock. Oh gosh. Oh my God, did I break it? So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to do the homemade cough syrup. I'm gonna cut up some red onions and then I'm gonna pour over some honey, raw honey into this and let it sit. And yeah, it'll be ready. The kids are already coughing, as you can see. So I end up going to Ulta because Ulta is literally right next door to Home Goods. I haven't been wearing nails lately. I saw that, no, I was gonna buy some, okay, so this is the thing. Let me get my story right. I was about to buy some fingernail polish because I'm like, oh, you know, I've been loving like no nails, and this is just a natural color on my nail. I was about to buy me some OPI nail polish, but the girl ended up putting me on, she was working there, she was stocking up the nail section, right? And she ended up putting me on the soft gels. If you understand, let me know. I'm a stay-at-home mom and I just can't keep going back to the nail shop. And then when I do have like my mommy time, I don't want to sit in a salon all day. I feel like I can do this at home with this nail kit. I'm gonna see if I can do this. I'm gonna see. I don't know if I'm gonna do it on camera. I'm gonna show you the color that I got. Film Real Red. This color, this red. Yes, ma'am. Ask the man for me.
I want to buy something. Yeah, boy. Oh, okay. So, somebody's going. Selfie. So, okay. Yeah. You're going in jail. But we lost Harry Riddle. You will gone.
Good morning. 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 Okay. It is Saturday. Happy Saturday. Okay, let me just say this. Okay, I love my nails. Okay, look. Who is she? Okay, but anyways, I love my nails. I wish I would have recorded the process of me putting my nails on and stuff like that, but I just didn't, like, I don't know. Next time I'll record it, but it was so easy. I know one thing I need to do is go back and get the actual LED lamp where you can put all 4 fingers in, or 5, because that one little lamp I'm just sitting my nail under, it took forever for the gel to like dry. The kids are still asleep. My husband and I were the only ones up this morning, so he's going to get more wood so we can be ready for the winter time. Yeah, I need to stop talking. I need to start talking to you because I gotta go work out before these kids get up.
Just pulled up to the house, don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window.
Hey, Papa. I'm here.
You're what?
I'm not scared. Oh,
You still need to be careful.
okay, guys, I'll go this way. Okay, Daddy, you're seeing the Mr. Gardo! Go, I got it!
How is the battery already low?
No, not go deep in.
Go where? Go down there? Okay. Good morning and happy Sunday. Okay, we are about to head out. Hold on, I don't know how to work this truck. Wait, am I going in reverse? Brake. Reverse. Wait, that's not reverse. Okay, check the cameras. My goodness. No. Huh? Y'all don't need to be making noises. I barely know what I'm. Okay. Why am I whispering? Okay, I think this is it. I just can't.
Papa gonna go
Yeah.
with us?
He's going with us, Mama. He's going with us. Okay, good morning and happy Sunday. We are, the family and I, we are headed out to a local flea market, and then we gotta get the kids some winter, fall clothes. But yeah, so that's what we're doing.
I had a little bit for you.
I gotta fix the seat. You see your chickens down there, down the road? They just ran across the street. Look at them. Get to the house. Look at them. Ooh, they got food over there. I see them walking with food.
Hey,
We're in Carter's getting fall clothes. This is so cute. That's cute too. Okay, so we just need t-shirts. Oh my goodness. Long sleeve doorbuster tees. Okay, this is what we need. So, I think Carter's run a little. I feel like Carter's run like a little big in their sizes. This is so cute. Baby section. Aww. Oh my goodness, newborn. Aww. Okay, we need tights. Some tights like cream. It's 40% off. These are different. These are like tights, and these are tights, but they're like knitted tights. And I do need a pair of these because I don't want to be looking for a pair of tights. So I don't know if I should do pink and white or black and white. Because these are $6 for boys as well. Do you want to see what the other side has? Let's look over here. Yeah, let's look over here. Because it's Oshkosh and Carter's. Okay, here's $7. These tees are $7. $7. Are these a little better? Oh, here's I found Mario. You are a large. Yeah, you're large. 10, 12. Let me see. You know what? I forgot their size is different. So this is what? 10?
This is 12.
Come here. Come here. Get 12. Yeah. We may need to go try it on. Okay, so we are back over on Oshkosh size because they said they don't have his size in Carter's. Come here. All right, let's try it on. You a 10, but okay, let's go try this one. We just walk in there. Okay, thank you. In there, yeah. All right. Oh wait, somebody's in there. I didn't know it was one room. Let me see if they got one on the Carter side. One dressing room. People got multiple kids. Come on, let's see if they got another dressing room. It's only one dressing room over there. That's weird. Okay, so we are currently in the bathroom because in the mall there's a Tanger and Oshkosh put together, but they only have one dressing room. So she allowed us to go in the bathroom so he can try on and see which one is his size. So that's good. We're just coming here to get long sleeves. They're fine on pants. They have jackets that still fit from last year. I don't know for how long that's gonna be, but we're just getting long sleeve shirts and a few jackets, probably one jacket. But I don't wanna be last minute getting these clothes for the kids and then be scrambling around. So I'm shopping now while I have my husband with me. We left him in the car. So it's just Chuchin and I. So yeah. Well, let's continue the shopping. Well, first we gotta see what size fits him. This is the 12? This is size 12? Wow, this is tight. You are growing. So this is a 12. Turn around. Turn around. Okay, so we'll get 12, but I feel like it's a little tight. Does it feel tight? It doesn't? I feel like if we wash it, it's gonna be tight. All right, we'll go to Old Navy for you. All right, go back in there. We have left the store. Huh? No, we gotta go to Gap and then we're gonna go to Abercrombie. All right, so I didn't find anything in Gap or Abercrombie. So now we are headed to H&M. Somehow I'm always going to H&M. Okay, yeah, go ahead. Thank you, baby. You get the Oh my goodness, this is so cute. Oh my goodness. Corduroy. Yeah, corduroy pants for $13.99. And these cute sweaters. Okay. Okay, so we are home from being out and shopping all day. So I didn't want to end the vlog in the bathroom like I did in the other vlog. If you enjoyed this vlog, please give me a thumbs up. And I don't know, I never tell you to do anything in the comments, but well, thank you to everybody who comments. Thank you to the silent watchers, the people that don't comment. I thought they were calling me, but yeah. So I'll talk to you later, okay? All right, good night.